You know, people ask me all the time to pull out my crystal ball and ask me what the market is going to do next, right? And the truth is that really nobody really knows all the answers. But we do pay very close attention to how professional and institutional money managers are navigating changing markets. You know, recently there was an institutional manager that had some commentary that showed a continued focus on diversification and risk management. Those are old words, but they mean a lot to be fully diversified and be able to manage risk properly. And what stood out to me wasn't the speculation in there, it was the discipline of actually doing that. Managers aren't abandoning growth, but they are broadening exposure and paying close attention to how risk is positioned in these markets today. International holdings are actually gaining more weight right now. All this lines up with how we believe planning should work. We don't have to guess. You should never have to guess. This is not an exact science. You just don't chase headlines. We don't chase headlines. And you have to stay focused and you have to stay disciplined in your processes. And I can tell you, as fiduciaries, we take that term seriously. Our responsibility is to take insights like these and apply them carefully, always in our client's best interest and always with a long-term view, because markets will change. That is totally normal, but we have to stay disciplined in our approach. What matters is having a plan that's designed to be flexible and adapt without emotion and understand why it's built that way. These are important concepts. Flexibility, being able to navigate, follow institutional managers, and make decisions in a disciplined way. Those are all things that we do as fiduciaries, each and every one of our customized client portfolios. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for listening.